Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this video, you will learn how to find your router IP address in Windows 10, 11 or any version of Windows. And it's a pretty straightforward process. So let's go ahead and do that. So in the search icon, type CMD and then run as a administrator. It will ask you to say yes. And once the window is opened, you just need to type ipconfig like this. So once you have typed ipconfig, hit enter, and here we need to check default gateway. So I can see the default gateway in my computer is 192.168.1.1. So this is the router's gateway. Please keep this thing in mind that your router should be connected to the internet. You are connected to the internet from the laptop or the desktop. So this is the first scenario, that your computer is connected and you want to know the router IP address. So here we go. So if I'll open the browser and I'll just type 192.168.1.1 and I'll hit enter, it will connect to the router. Here we go. And in the second scenario, let's say if you're not connected to your router, if your computer is not connected to the router. So in that case, you need to look at the rear side. In the back side of your router, you will have the default IP address, the gateway of your router. You will also get to know the default user ID and password that will be mentioned in the back side of the router. These are the two methods through which you can check the IP address. Please let me know if you have further queries. Leave a comment below and please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.